So apparently my local Subway didn't close down for good. It was just remodeling. And I just got back from work. I'm going to buy something. Looks nice. Oh, you get the kitty. And there were people there from my high school. They didn't recognize me. And I didn't recognize them, but one of them had school gear. So, I got my sandwich. And so far, Subway is the only corporation to have a Why I Hate video that was later forgiven. Excellent, as usual. So since Subway saw my video and decided to open up the shop, after all, maybe that's something you should consider, Virginia Tech. Yes.